Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Ranger engine stalling and the possible causes that may be associated with this condition across certain Ford Ranger model years. Engine stalling in the Ford Ranger generally refers to situations where the engine shuts off unexpectedly while idling, slowing down, or in some cases during driving. This issue has been documented in different Ranger generations, but the exact behavior can vary depending on engine type, model year, and vehicle configuration. Some versions may experience stalling only under specific conditions such as warm idle or low speeds, while others may show intermittent behavior. Verified information shows that engine stalling may be related to fuel delivery inconsistencies, air intake regulation problems, or engine management system behavior. In some cases, components involved in maintaining idle speed or proper air-fuel balance could be contributing factors. Electrical or sensor-related interruptions may also be involved, depending on the model year and system design. Older generations may have different contributing factors compared to newer models that rely more heavily on electronic controls. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions depend on accurate diagnosis and may include inspecting engine management components, checking fuel and air delivery systems, and reviewing fault codes where applicable. Not every fix applies to every Ranger, and repairs should be guided by professional evaluation rather than assumptions. Overall, engine stalling in the Ford Ranger is not a single cause issue and can differ significantly by year and configuration. Understanding the general patterns can help owners approach the problem more informed, but individual diagnosis remains essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.